Hi everyone, I'm Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something special to share with you. I have the first fall subscription box from David Christopher's. So about a month ago, David Christopher shared on his channel a subscription box they would be offering for 4 months, September, October, November, and December. So last week, I think it was, I received the first box, which is the fall box. I ordered the large size, which is $60 each month. All right, let me share with you what I got. So excited about this. So here's the box. You can see it's a pretty good size. And let's see what we got in it for fall. So first we have, let me move the box over a little bit. So first we have this really large pick for fall. And you can see it's got pumpkins, it's got berries. I love these green berries. And it's got some different color leaves. And it's probably, I would estimate about a 30-inch pick. It's pretty long. So this is really nice. That's the first thing I've gotten out of my box. Next we have another really long pick. You can see that stem. So these would be wonderful in a floral arrangement too. And we've got some sunflowers. We've got 3 of them on here. That's really nice. Ooh, didn't expect this. We've got a flameless flicker candle. You can see the top of this with the lighting. It's going to show that. But it's cut at an angle going down. That's different. I haven't seen that before. And it's got the nice little flicker piece on top. And let's see. Y'all know I'm one of those people who can't do anything without these. Woo! Yeah. So I was trying to see if there was a timer or anything on this candle. And I don't see it in the writing, but I'll check it out and let you know. Ooh, child, this is huge. Oh my goodness. And the next thing we have, again, you can tell by how it looks against me, is this huge lantern. And this is the large size, and I think it also came in medium. Oh, this is gorgeous. And you know, it's funny, I have one with the beads like this, so it's gonna make a nice little set. Yes. So we've got this wooden lantern with the beaded sides. And this beautiful glass container. Okay. So we've got this beautiful lantern. It's got a nice beaded trim. Oh, that lighting isn't doing so good, but you can see it here. The beaded trim on the sides. Oh boy, this is beautiful. And I have one that's similar with the beaded trim, but it's a different color. So I'm gonna put them together, kind of make a set. And then it came with this glass vase that sits right into this metal part here. And you know, you can fill this with flowers, with beads. Pumpkins would be great for fall. You know, anything like that. Oh man, this is gonna be wonderful. So let me put my candle in here. Yep, candle is the perfect height for that. I mean, the glass stops here, the candle stops here. They couldn't have picked a better candle. So I can see taking this along with my florals and making a nice topper. Can't wait to do this. So if you're interested in this, you can check out davidchristopher's.com and see what they have left for their subscription boxes. Again, it was 4 months, September, October, November, and December. and they're going to do a holiday theme for each month. And this is the first one I think they've done, so I had to jump in and see what they, were giving with their boxes to get an idea if I wanted to continue this in the future. All right, so I look forward to sharing how I put this together in a future video, and I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.